very excited, to be honest. It's gonna be so much fun.
Lego.
Let's go. I heard rumors that this is a very good coaster.
Let's see.
We will see.
Oh, it's gonna go fast, I feel it.
Oh yeah. Yes, it's going to be a fast one.
Yeah.
I really think so. Wow. Let's take some time and look at the view. Some nice coasters today. It's gonna be so much fun.
Oh.
Here we go. Troy on Toverland front row. Woohoo! Woo! It's a really good wooden coaster. Wow, I really enjoyed that. That's great. And I can tell you it's still a walk on ride and it's 10:45 in the morning on a Monday. Ah, that's a fun coaster. That's really fun. 20 degrees today, but it's humid. That went fast. We are leaving. Wow. Oh, that was water. That was a great start though. They sprayed me with water. The bird peed on me. So excited, it's gonna be so much fun. Wow. Okay guys, here we go. Woohoo! Wow. Wow. Oh, that is so nice. That's such a nice coaster. That is one great roller coaster. That is very nice. So we did it on the left wing now. We have to try the right wing later to see how that is. Oh wow. That was a front row POV with the horizon lock. Oh, it was fun. So much fun. Welcome back to the station. We survived. Yeah, the theming is great. Let's have a look. Oh, it's an Onride music. So this is a front ride. It's just that we started looking the opposite way. But we have Onride music and this is gonna be very, very cool. I really like this. This is gonna be fun. Oh, the music is great. Okay guys, here we go. This is Toverland at Toverland. Wow. as I told you, it is a front ride. No, it's not anymore. Wow, that was great. That was a really good roller coaster. I really enjoyed that. And the Onride music was great.
Yeah, it was.
That was really good. You want to go again? Of course you do. Oh, we're going again. You did good. Oh. So we came back to the station and they said do it again, and the ride operators listened, so we're doing it again. The tune is fantastic. Let's see if you can see this view. Okay, second time around, and this little spinner. Coaster. I want to do this again later. I'm not joking. This is great. And we ended up being front row.
How did that happen?
Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed that. 2 times around in Toverland. So this is gonna be fun. We have Sarah in front of us. Let's see how fast she is. So what you do here is that this is a bob bun, they call it, and you control the speed with the levers here on the side and go forward or fast, fast or slow. Nice, that was some speed. I like that. I want to do full speed for you all the way. For the picture there. It wasn't me, I promise. Still have full throttle all the way through. Here we come into the inside area again and back to the exit. And there's Sarah. She also made it. You made it. I want to go again. And we got to go again. This is a really nice little roller coaster. This is a Monday here on Toverland, so there is not much line for anything. There we go. I like this. Yeah, I really like this. I like the concept of a motorbike. There we go. I have no idea, but I mean, you can't slide on your pants in there, or maybe you can. I don't know. I'm bad at slides. Okay. So
I'm
this
hit
one,
my head in the roof.
this one goes up to the roof. Yeah, don't stretch your arms.
No.
I'm joking, you can't. But anyway, this is. Yay! Imagine this have quite a. Yeah. I kind of thought so. It has quite a pull. Woohoo! I can tell you, this is one pretty fun indoor family coaster, to be honest. It is quite nice. Oh. Oh. That is. We're gonna ride Troy in the back row with Horizon Lock. We haven't driven this in the back row, so it's gonna be very fun. These seats are so comfortable. It's like a couch. Some popcorn here, just eating. It'll be nice. I don't know when it opened. We have to check that later. Okay, here we go. Troy on Toverland. It's not a prefab coaster. This is a real wooden coaster.
It was more shaky in the back, I think.
I think maybe it had some more speed now when it's later in the day. But
it was the rain.
Yeah, maybe we had a little bit of rain. We just rode it as soon as it opened. That was super fun though. I really liked it. Wow. To start with the left wing because you're on the top. But yeah, we'll see. It's gonna be very, very fun. There is no escape. I love that everything here is in English this far. Really like that. Say there. A lot of water. A lot of smoke, a lot of water. No, it's not a lot of water, I'm lying. Don't get afraid, guys. Yeah, walking. I'm running. I'm running. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Okay, YouTube. Here we go. This is Phoenix on the right wing. Woohoo! Whee! Wow! Wow, that's so nice. Okay, so I know right away. For me, it's simple. It's the right side. This is the best one.
No.
Do you like the other one?
The other one.
Because this one, being that low in the turn, felt like you were gonna crash your feet so hard. I really enjoyed this side. This was better. Oh, it was so great. Wow. Okay, guys, I really hope you like that.